Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Shift4Shop payment verification, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Shift4Shop payment verification, start by logging into your Shift4Shop account. Navigate to the settings section in the left sidebar. Click on payment providers to access your payment options. Locate the payment method you want to set up for verification. If you are using a third-party payment processor, click on Edit next to that payment method. Provide the required credentials, such as your API key or merchant ID. Ensure that you enable any necessary authentication options required by the processor. Next, you may need to configure advanced settings as specified by your payment provider. Follow any specific instructions or prompts related to payment verification settings. Be sure to save your changes by clicking the Save button at the bottom of the page. After saving, it's essential to test your payment setup. Navigate to your online store and initiate a test transaction. Complete the payment process to ensure everything is working correctly. Check your payment processor dashboard to confirm the transaction was successful. If you encounter issues, revisit the settings and ensure all credentials are entered correctly. Consult your payment provider's documentation for any additional requirements. Once verification is complete, your Shift4Shop store is ready to process payments securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.